Hello. Good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? Today we are going for a ride with my mate Kane down in Hikurangi. So we're gonna join and catch up with him, and then we ride to Whangarei, and then should be a big ride around the north of the island. So we should see some cool and spectacular things, methinks. And the weather is okay. We have a bit of a blue there, and it looks like we have clouds which coming my way. Wait a minute. They're going that way. Okay, bye rain. Yeah, so let's go for a ride. And just as you saw, my ute is still there fixing the last hole. My little art project is ready. My little cat head all painted gold, suspended on a chain on my little thing. So that's gonna go out. Engine is half apart. All the beds and clutch and stuff is there. So yeah, lots on. So mind you, I need a helmet, don't I? So let's fetch it. How are you guys? What you been up to? Have you been riding? Enjoying the summer sunshine? Last week was crazy heavy rains and shit happened around in Manganui. Some slaves and people died and disappeared in the soil, so I hope you guys are okay. We survived fine. We are kind of on a hill. Firstly, we didn't sleep, and secondly, the water seems to kind of drain down the hill, so that appears to be okay. So enough yapping, let's go. I'm gonna hobble into petrol station because I have no tire in the front, so we'll just fill her up and go from there. See you on the road. One of those happy days when you park up your bike to put the air in and your air valves are both in a perfect bottom, easy access. All right, let's go. We have air, we have gas, and can't believe I haven't touched this bike for close to 2 months. I still have a grass from our Taihape bikers picnic all over it. Never mind. Let's do it. My start was quite early. It was a bit chilly on the road, a bit of drizzles and all that, and some mist, but overall, not too bad. Hopefully the day will be a bit better. We shall see. Hello Kane, how are you doing? Let's get to Whangarei. We are here with the fellas in Whangarei. All the bikes are parked, ready to go. Beautiful machines. There's a Kane beast. Nice. They're waiting. Just go for a leak. Bring my head off. I think we're going to Bonneville. to say we had a really lovely start. The guys did a little prayer in the morning, and I quite like that, we asked for coming home safe and making good decisions. I think that it's a nice way to set your mind right and enjoy the ride and don't do silly things.
Bonneville, man, you can say it's breezy, man. I don't know if you can see the trees. Feel like Bonneville's windy air, and we've been going in the rain. Everybody's drenched. Yeah, happy days. Chasing down, windy, the bikes flying around. Oh, just came around some Kumara processing plant. Had a funky little, like an oversized M&M on the roof. Crazy. Anyway, let's go.
The weather has been amazing. It warmed up, sun's shining, and yeah, here is our brother Juan, who joined us on this beautiful machine. Very cool ride to Bonneville through these cool twisties, and surprise, surprise, here comes the rain. Now with the rain and quite heavy, our bikes became just real slippery. Everything was going back and front, everybody sliding left to right. It doesn't help that my both tires seen better days, but we'll just take it easy. The weather definitely couldn't make its own mind. It was cloudy, it was rainy, it was sunny, it was everything in one day. Well, in 1 hour. Now when I crossed the bridge, we just arriving to Bonneville. I was a bit drizzly and wet, but yeah, I was looking forward to a little break and a snack, and yeah, some running juice for the machines.
Fueled up in Bonneville, the weather has not improved. Like clouds everywhere. It looks very bright, but it's not, and I'm freezing. Where is the Northland summer, huh?
At least we're not riding in the river.
No.
At least we're not riding in it. We're going down summer.
Here she comes. She's coming down hard.
while we were at the station, the rain just kept going, and there were some massive squalls of heavy rain. Then it was clear for a moment, and I started pissing down real hard again, as you could see. And then at the next break, we just jumped on the bike and took off. The guys are real tough, eh? The water just doesn't bother them at all. Yeah, very impressive. I'm a bit of a wussy. I did carry a rain gear, but I was toughing it out like the rest of them. So yeah, toughen up, Mario. No more moaning, no, on the rain. At least it's warm, you know. That's fine. We'll get dry. Look, it's sunny. What are you complaining about? Just ride.
Right, we stopped at the I don't know what it's called, the forest, but we're gonna have a look at the Tane Mahuta, the biggest kauri tree in New Zealand, one left over. Let's have a walk. That's your shoes. Let's walk.
This walk is not very far, it's probably just 300 meters. Tane Mahuta, they estimate the age between 1250 to 2000 years, so it's a pretty old tree. It could definitely tell us some stories. If it could talk, that would be pretty cool, wouldn't it?
So the walk continues, you can go have a little wander. There is a whole bunch of kauri trees around, but yeah, the big tree over there was Tane. And that small one, there used to be way bigger tree all around here. See, this is all the trees at the background. That's all kauri. There is all the younger ones in here, but you can see from here the people are underneath, and then you can see the trunk of it going up. It's huge. Yeah, I should find you more information. It's probably look like good 4 or 5 meters, maybe 4 meters diameter. No, looks like 20 meters tall, big trunk and all that. Okay, I'm cold.
Yeah, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
I was pretty right. The circumference of the Tane Mahuta is 15.5 meters, which makes it 4.9 meter diameter. So yeah, almost 5 meters in diameter, and it is 45 meters tall. No wonder they call it the god of the forest, after the name of Tane, which was the Maori god of forest and birds. Such a cool place and cool tree. You can definitely feel the energy and charisma, or whatever you want to call it. There is just certain aura around it. I don't know. It's beautiful. It's definitely worth a visit. And if you're coming up north, yeah, go and make the trip and yeah, have a look for yourself.
Here is a quick update. Something wrong with my bike. I let the guys go because she idles and I can run in slow speeds. But as soon as I give her a bit of throttle, she cuts out. Don't know why. Thought it was battery connection. Excuse me, we checked that, but it's not happening. So I don't know. Something wrong with the cables, or the rain got somewhere. I don't know. I should take shit apart and check it. So I'm just gonna hobble home slowly, and I'll see you in the garage. Righty, made it home. The guys are probably enjoying the
life-changing milkshake in Pahia, and I hobbled home. The last few kilometers she actually did okay. I mean, last few is like last 2 kilometers, and I was just testing it, what's happening, and it's like the shut off of the engine looks or felt like when you shut it off with a switch here. So I'm just wondering if any kind of moisture, little water or something got through the switch down there, and we're shorting up the contacts and shutting the engine off, because that's what happened with my Blue Sporty. Water got in a switch gear and screwed up my horn and screwed up the starter. So I wonder, I was pouring down, the bike was sitting. I don't know, it's not like I haven't been in the rain before, but yeah, I don't know. Totally random. But I'm home, I made it, didn't have to call for help, and that's it. Anyway, I had fun. We spent all day, most of the day in the rain, and here has been quite nice, hot and all that. So I'm gonna undress and yeah, work here for a little bit. But yeah, thank you, Kane, for inviting me, and yeah, I met some new people, new friends. Thank you for letting me join for the fun ride. We had a good little cruise around, so yeah, I had a very good time. Come on. But I'm tired, as you can see. Anyway, thank you for watching. This was a little John with new people, and we saw the biggest tree of New Zealand, and yeah, my camera kind of died halfway through, so haven't filmed the riding afterwards, but we got the nicest bits. Cool. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you next Friday. Behave, at least a little bit. Bye.